And we have breaking new information tonight on the skiers caught in that deadly avalanche near Lake Tahoe. We've learned most of the skiers on the guided backcountry excursion were the moms of students attending the nearby Sugar Bowl Ski Academy. Sugar Bowl is a unique educational academy that is also a ski-in, ski-out alpine sports training school. Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Fisher joining us now with the late breaking developments tonight. Michelle?
That is exactly right, Mark. That school is a college prep academy and boarding school with an annual tuition of $70,000. It trains students to become elite athletes. This group of mothers had been together for an adventurous three-day trip, and as they tried to escape Tuesday's storm and return home, that is when tragedy struck. From rescue to recovery in the Sierra Nevada mountains tonight after a deadly avalanche the size of a football field killed 9 people Tuesday. The initial group of 15 skiers and guides trapped on Castle Peak near Donner Pass in Lake Tahoe.
They were attempting to go out as a group. That someone saw the avalanche, yelled avalanche, and then it overtook them rather quickly.
About 50 highly skilled rescuers using a snowcat, then skiing the final 2 miles, fighting through the elements to reach 6 survivors, 2 of whom were badly injured and could not walk. 9 bodies of those deceased still on the mountain due to treacherous conditions that limited recovery efforts.
Extreme weather conditions, I would say, is an understatement. Lots of snow, gale force winds, making it impossible to see.
The recovery mission, both physically and emotionally difficult.
One of the 9 missing decedents is a spouse of one of our Tahoe Nordic search and rescue team members.
Tonight, the head of the Sugar Bowl Academy in Norden confirming multiple parents and those with strong connections to the school were involved. The school, which offers college preparatory academics and athletic training for grades 6 through 12, is on winter break right now amid the tragedy.
I can't even imagine the amount of questions and stress that those families are going through right now as we move forward through this.
The avalanche hazard does remain high. What was already a weak area of snow has now been hit with several more feet of snow since yesterday. So officials are reminding everyone to check avalanche forecasts, also to travel with a partner, and always share your route and communicate your plans if you are heading out. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Michelle Fisher, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.